support her. She's amazing and everyone loves her. Here we have the students that are originating from all over the world, so as you can tell, my accent is a little bit different. We have people from Canada, from China, and some locals. And they join us here all in this amazing church. This is my first time in the UK, and I enjoy it very much. Everyone is so nice and friendly. We all share candies and share dorms. My favorite part is when we were all fighting for the treasure hunt, scavenger hunt, and most of us were screaming so much that our ears were ringing afterwards. My experience here was amazing, and I'd like to come back again. I will share some other memories and experiences that my friends have made here. One of them is how we made a lot of good friends here. We meet musicians and have the honor to play with them. Another memory is when we learned the African drums and how to sing. Thank you